Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Journey 718. Lost my husband about 30 days ago and I am trying to find ways to redirect the sadness that I feel, and I did this with wallpaper. I redesigned this bathroom and I wanted it to be happy. I used this wallpaper that is full of images of individuals that are happy living life. I know this is coming for me one day yet again, and this is the feeling I want when I walk into this new room that I have redesigned. Grief will not hold me down. I will continue to live and I will keep my husband's legacy alive. God has not finished working with me. He has a mission for me, and I am determined to fulfill that mission. He does not put on us anything that we can bear. And today, I celebrate the life that I live with my husband, and I celebrate me.